Hello everyone, welcome to Skills Build Training YouTube channel. Myself Mohammad Zubair, and this channel is all about showing you how to become an IT pro really fast. So the topic of today's video is 7 basic networking commands, how to troubleshoot network issues on Windows. So without any further ado, let's get started. As we are talking about the networking command, then obviously we need to open our command prompt. So I will press my Windows key and I will search for CMD. Here it is, here is our command prompt. So just click on it and we will perform all of our networking commands in our command prompt. Number 1, ping. Ping is used to test a network host capacity to interact with another host. So just enter the command ping followed by the target host name or IP address. So in simple words, this command allows us to send a signal to another device on the network to check if it is active or not. If the destination host reply to the requesting host, that means the host is reachable and is available. Well, the utility usually gives a basic image of where there may be a specific networking issues. If I talk about in more detail about ping, ping uses the ICMP protocol, which is also known as Internet Control Message Protocol. Ping is also known as the subset of Internet Control Message Protocol. So ping uses ICMP to send an echo request, and in response it gets an echo back. And obviously, if the device is active, we will get an echo back. So for example, if I ping my router and it does not respond back, then it means the problem is with my router actually and not from the internet service provider. So just write ping and after that I will write www.google.com. Just hit enter. And here you can see we have sent 4 packets and we got 4 packets back. As you can see here, it says packet sent equal to 4, received equal to 4, and because of that our lost is 0. So this is how ping command works. Let's have another example. So this time I will write an IP address. So I will write here 192.168.2.200. Just hit enter. And here you can see it says request timed out. Mean we are not being able to send our echo message to our destination, and that shows that our destination is not reachable, or you can say it is not available at the time. So this is how we can get to know that if the destination or a particular IP address or a particular network is available or not. So this was all about ping command. So I will clear my command prompt here. For that, just write CLS and hit enter. Number 2, Ipconfig. Well, the Ipconfig command displays all the current TCP and IP networks configuration values. And along with that, it also gives you the basic information to get your IP address, DNS server IP address, your router's IP address, and DHCP server IP address, etc. So now I will write Ipconfig here, just hit enter, and this is my network at the moment. Here you can see that we have IPv4 address, means this is my IP address. Means if someone wants to connect to me or someone wants to communicate with me, they need to use my IP address, and my IP address is this one. And down here we have subnet mask, and down here we have our default gateway. At the moment computer uses IPv4 address, means if someone want to communicate with me, they have to use this IPv4 address of mine, and they also need my subnet mask to reach my destination. So that was all about Ipconfig. Number 3, Ipconfig/all. So I will write Ipconfig/all, hit enter, and here you can see that we have more detailed information available here. And here we have information about our DHCP server. Then we have our DNS server here as well. One thing is very noticeable here. My default gateway is this one, that is 192.168.0.1. It means this is my router. Default gateway is always your router. But if you come down at the DHCP server, and here you will notice that it has the same address as my router. And if you go down in DNS server, it has also the same address as above too. It means that my DNS server and my DHCP server, they both lies on my router. And if I want to do some tweaks with my DHCP or my DNS server, I can do that from accessing my router. So this is how this command ipconfig/all is helpful, as it gives you the information for the troubleshooting for the network. And obviously for troubleshooting you need information, and ipconfig/all has all the related information which you need. I will clear my screen first. Number 4, Tracert. This command helps you to see the route in step-by-step format a packet has taken to go from host to the destination which you have specified for it. For example, if you send a packet to Google or some other destination, the packet will not go to Google directly. Instead, it will go through many different routers before finally it reaches the google.com. So I will write here Tracert google.com, hit enter. And here you will have all the information that from where my packet got started and then how it reached to the google.com. My packet has started from router and then it went to this router, which is neartel.pk, and after that it has moved toward the third router, and in the same order it will reach to the google.com. And here we are done with our trace, and my packet has taken 11 routers in total, and one router was not responding as it says request timed out. So this is the information about the path the packet has taken from host to the destination. So I will clear my screen. Number 5, Nslookup. By using this command, we will be able to fetch the DNS records for a given domain name or the IP address. For those who do not know, IP address is the mathematical form of address of any website. For example, let me go to my browser. Here, if I write 172.217.21.36 and hit enter, it has taken me to google.com, and same as if I write google.com, it will take me to the same destination. So IP addresses are the mathematical forms of address of any website. Because it is not easy to remember the IP addresses as they are in numbers, so the IP addresses and the domain names are stored in a DNS server, which means DNS server is responsible for all this. With the help of Nslookup command, we can query the information about the DNS records. So here I will write Nslookup space google.com and hit enter. So this command has given me this address. So if I copy this address, and now if I go to my browser and paste this address which I got from using this command, hit enter. Now it has again taken me to the google.com. So what this command has done, it has given me all the IP addresses associated with an address. It means Google have almost 10 to 11 IP addresses which gets used to reach the Google. So if you remember earlier, I used 172.217.21.36, and now this Nslookup command has given me a different address. So what this command does, this command gives the IP addresses of any website or any web page you want to see. I will clear my screen, and now let's move ahead. Number 6, Tasklist. Well, Tasklist allows you to see for the tasks which are running at the moment in the system. So I will write here Tasklist, hit enter. These are the tasks which are running at the moment. In many cases, our system gets stuck, and this is because we have a lot of tasks running at the background. What we can do, we can terminate some of the tasks to make our system work perfectly again. For that, we will use task kill command. So as you can see, we have these tasks available or running at the moment. What I can do, I can remove any of these tasks. For that, I need to just write task kill space \im. So here I need to write the task which I want to terminate. So let's terminate the cmd.exe. This is right here. So I will write cmd.exe space \F. Now if I hit enter, my command prompt will get closed. And here you can see that it has just killed the task. Number 7. Netsh. Netsh is another very powerful command allowing you to view and configure almost all of the network adapters in your device in much greater detail compared with some other commands available. When you run netsh command on its own, the command prompt will be shifted into network shell mode. Within this mode, there are several different contexts, such as we have a context for DHCP related commands, we also have a context related to diagnostic, and we also have one for routing. It is still possible to run individual commands from netsh. So in order to see that what commands are available with netsh context, we just need to write netsh space / and hit enter. So these are different commands which are available related to netsh. So we can use any of these commands. So this is the command and this is the context. So what I need to do now, I just need to write netsh, hit enter. So we are into shell mode. So here I can write any command for different contexts and I'll be able to get the information and I'll be able to do a lot of things. So we are done with our 7 commands. Now let's have some bonus tips. So let me exit my shell here. Now, first one is host name. I will just write host name here and hit enter. What it will do, it will give the host name which have been set for my laptop. I will hit enter and here it is. My host name is this one. So this is how easy it is to find out about host name. And now you do not have to go to your setting and then system and then there look for your host name. Next bonus tip is net. Well, it is used for displaying available net switches. The net command is definitely a versatile one and it allows you to manage many different aspects of a network and its setting such as network shares, print jobs, users, and a lot more things. Running just net won't do much. So what I will do now, I will just write net help and I will have a lot of information about that one. So just hit enter and these are the commands which are available with respect to the net command. So if I write here only net, again I have this information. So what I can do, I can use a net command with the addition of these commands and I'll be able to get a lot of information. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel, as this channel is all about showing you how to become an IT pro really fast. If you have something to ask, please leave a comment below. We will get back to you as soon as possible. We will see you in another video. Till then, take care.